Hello, friends. Dr. Maria Morrison here, your expert in hearing healthcare. And I just wanted to pop on and share a story. I recently saw a gentleman who came in for a hearing test, and he's got some loss. But what was really interesting was that he has a hobby where he's in noise. He's a woodworker as a hobby, and he enjoys making chairs and tables and things out of wood, which of course uses loud power saws and sanders and things where you should really be using hearing protection. And so when he was telling me about his love of woodworking, of course, I asked, "Are you using hearing protection?" He said, "No, why would I need hearing protection?" I said, "Well, to protect your hearing so it doesn't the noise doesn't damage your hearing." And he thought that was absurd. And so then I asked, "Did you see the eclipse, a few weeks ago?" And he said, "Of course, everybody saw the eclipse." And I said, "Did you wear protection over your eyes when you saw the eclipse?" He said, "Of course. I didn't want to wreck my eyes." Well, then you should be using hearing protection when in noise so you don't wreck your ears. It's the same thing, people. Now, there's lots of different types of hearing protection out there. I have videos on this, but there's non-custom ones, those little foam roll-ups, or there's tree tips that you would put in your ear. There's headphones, there's electronic, non-electronic. You really want to take a look at the noise reduction rating of the hearing protection to make sure that you truly are protecting your ears. If you are using something that's non-custom to your ear, you want to make sure that you're putting it in your ear correctly. Otherwise, that noise reduction rating is not accurate. The noise reduction rating assumes that you are getting it in all the way and accurately. If you're not really protecting your ears. You can also look at custom hearing protection with your hearing healthcare professional. There's lots of ways to protect your ears. Please, as an audiologist, I implore you, protect your hearing. All right, friends, have a great day. Bye-bye.